Good evening, I'm meteorologist Danielle Miller, and we're currently tracking some windy conditions across the area. Mountain counties currently under a high wind warning. This is Ashe, Avery, and Watauga through tomorrow afternoon. We've had gusts there up to 60 miles per hour and higher. As we head into the Charlotte metro and areas west, we do have a wind advisory through tomorrow afternoon. Winds not as gusty as they are in the mountains.
And I thought I heard a little rumor that the sun will be back tomorrow.
Yes,
Is that true?
It's true. It will come
okay,
out.
Good.
One more round of rain to go, and it's currently moving into our mountain counties as we speak, and most of it will sleep through, thankfully. You can see this frontal boundary setting up Monday afternoon, pushing into our area on Tuesday morning. Starting off as rain here in the Piedmont, snow up in the mountains, and as we step this forward Tuesday afternoon, a quick shot of snow on the backside of that system as the cold air moves through. Wet snow, it's causing a lot of problems on the roadways where the roads are covered in this slushy, wet mixture. So if you do have to go outside today, make sure you're careful and you're driving slow. So we expect these showers on and off all night tonight. And as I said, uptown currently in the clear, but that heavy rain will start to push into our area as we go over the next couple of hours. Now, we talked about how large this system is. Take a look from Maine to Texas. Our watches and warnings in effect in association with the system, almost 1,600 miles. That's crazy. It's a huge system affecting our area. A couple clouds in the sky, nothing of too much concern at the moment. High pressure is in control, bringing us that northerly breeze and that drier air, which was why we were so cold today, and again, why we'll be so cold tomorrow. As we go overnight tonight, temperatures dropping into the upper 30s across much of the area. In Boone tomorrow at 7 a.m., that's when we're concerned, 31 degrees, so below freezing. Careful, it will be a little slick out there.
The weekend came, spring went away. What happened?
I know, we had temperatures in the 70s and now we're in the 40s, dropping into the upper 30s as we head towards midnight tonight. Now, how much rain are we talking? Again, not a lot, less than 1/10 of an inch, with futurecast showing a majority of that staying below the 85 corridor. So if you're north of that, you really aren't expecting anything tomorrow, just a little cloudier than it was today. Live in Charleston, where the evacuation order was lifted earlier this afternoon, you can see people are making their way back into the city. Restaurants are opening back up. So we have this first frontal boundary moving through our area tomorrow morning. That last round of rain, it pushes off by tomorrow afternoon. You definitely get outside and enjoy it. Sunny skies, warmer temperatures. Unfortunately, we are tracking the next chance for rain Saturday and Sunday. We're not sure on the exact timing yet, but we do know a pretty big system is on its way. Snowfall accumulating about 2 to 3 inches for the mountains, maybe 4 inches at some higher elevations. Coating to 1 inch across the foothills, but not expecting any accumulation here in Charlotte. A wet and soggy night here in Charlotte and across almost all of North Carolina right now. Everyone dealing with some sort of rain, and that extends back to our west, places like Atlanta, Huntsville, into Tennessee, all covered with rain, and it's all headed our direction. If we take a closer look at our area, you can see some heavier rain currently making its way through Boone into Asheville and into the foothill areas. Taking a closer look, we can see right along that I-40 corridor is where most of that rain is setting up shop, and it's pretty heavy. All those yellows and oranges is some heavy downpours making their way through Morganton, headed towards Hickory, and eventually Statesville, Denver, all going to be experiencing this one heavier batch of rain, and on and off all night long. As I've said, we are going to be dealing with this rain. We are currently dry across the metro area, but it's not going to stay that way. As you're headed out the door from the All-Star game tonight, definitely grab your umbrella because it's going to be a soaker. And the heaviest rain for the metro, futurecast shows it moving through around midnight tonight is when we see the heaviest rain push through. So good news is we sleep through most of it. Tomorrow at 6 a.m., a couple lingering showers, but even those push off pretty quickly. So by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, the sun will come out and it's going to feel like a pretty great day. And we're going to want to enjoy that before the next round of rain comes through. Temperatures right now sitting 40 degrees in Charlotte, 36 in Hickory, 37 up in Statesville, and 35 degrees up in Boone. So a chilly night, but over the next couple hours, temperatures do warm slightly into the mid 40s. So warmer temperatures headed our way for tomorrow. And futurecast shows that rain pulling out of our area tomorrow morning and clearing out for Monday. So Monday looking great. Nothing of concern. High pressure in control, which is great because then our next system sets up shop. Tuesday evening, you can see snow and some icy mix in the mountains, rain in the Piedmont, and then a pretty wet day on Wednesday. We have that chance of rain every single day this week, with Wednesday having the highest chance of a washout, 90%. That's when we expect from beginning to end, a just dreary day. But otherwise, on and off rain through next weekend. So a very wet pattern in store. And this is just one model's showing all of the rainfall that we expect, 2 to 4 inches. So as we get through the later parts of the week, we do need to monitor some areas for flooding. As I said, this is through next Sunday at 11 p.m. We should be getting quite a good amount of rain moving through the area. Now temperatures tonight and as we move into tomorrow morning, continue to warming, 55 degrees tomorrow at 11 a.m. As we head into the afternoon hours, reaching 60 here in Charlotte. It's going to feel great. We are still remaining chilly in the mountains, only about 39 degrees in Boone tomorrow afternoon. So a nice day tomorrow before cold air makes its way back in for Tuesday. So take a look at your 7-day first alert forecast. Tomorrow, we do have those morning showers, but they clear out and it should be a pretty nice day. Tuesday, it's a little cooler with rain moving in the evening and staying through Wednesday. We do have a first alert because it will be raining almost all day, and then rain stays in the forecast through next weekend.